Are you looking for a freehold terrace house in Bukit Timah area? While many of the houses are located deep within the estate, this gem house is conveniently located just 5-minute short walk to 𝙇𝘼𝘍𝘿 MRT stations and yet allowing you to enjoy the serenity of your private hideaway. Hi everyone, this is Joyce Lau from AAG Divisions, Orange Tea and Thai. Today I'm going to bring you on a home tour on this very rare freehold 2-story inter-terrace house, and that's in one of the most highly sought after Bukit Timah Enclave, District 11, Watten Estate. Rare because there are hardly any houses up for sales normally, and what's more, this inter-terrace house is tucked in a quiet neighbourhood and yet is a tranquil short walk to the main road. Before you enter the house, you will find a garden that you can do up some water features or landscaping. And as you enter the house, you will find a broad living area, easy to configure, and a separate dining area. There is no built-in, so it gives you lots of flexibility to do up your own design. How about designing an island kitchen for you to showcase your culinary skill? Outside the kitchen is a very spacious and versatile backyard, which you can consider to extend more livable and closed space. Upstairs, you will find 3 spacious bedrooms and a nice balcony where you can enjoy watching the sunset. Imagine waking up to this relaxing and peaceful scenery daily. It's seated on a slightly elevated ground of a land size approximately 1,800 square feet with a built-out area of 2,200 square feet. It has 4 spacious bedrooms with balconies that you can consider to do extensions to enlarge the bedrooms further. Your imagination is the limit on how you can turn your creativity into reality in this house. This house is like a perfect canvas for anyone who desires to build their perfect dream home. Yes, it's ideal for those who rather rebuild or A&A to your own taste. Why pay a premium for someone else's taste when you can fully customize this house to your heart desire? As it's tucked in a quiet cul-de-sac street where few cars accept residents staying here, your friends and relatives will enjoy the convenience of parking just outside your home. Take a look at this map to see how fabulous this location is. One of the key attractions of this inter-terrace house that is within 1 kilometer from some of the top schools. This alone is one of the main reasons for many young families seeking a home here in Watten Estate. The Botanic Gardens is just 1 stop away from you. It will take you 15 minutes to walk to Botanic Gardens, or you can hop on the train, which is just 1 stop away. You also have the Cluny Court to enjoy your morning breakfast or groceries shopping at cold storage. You are spoiled with choices of convenience as this house is surrounded by amenities such as Coronation Plaza, Adam Food Centre and the ever-popular Greenwoods Bistros Cold Storage and Restaurant, all within 10 minutes walk. Lana cake anyone? So it's time now to give the prestigious address that you truly deserve. Call me at 900-84000 for a home tour today. Once again, I'm Joyce Lau from AAG Divisions, Orange Tea and Thai. Simply the one, I'll find your ideal home.